Hey YouTube, how you doing? I'm doing fine. But I just took my hair out, y'all. God bless. Tango wants to say hi. Where he go? Come here. Okay, well maybe he don't. But anyways, I know how to YouTube in a minute, so thought I'd be telling y'all stop and get y'all hit the lockdown days 7, 8, and 9. So happy Freaky Friday, and I know this weather was kind of dreary today. It was some crazy stuff, but I just wanted to let y'all know. Oh, I just dropped my phone. That day 7 was chill. Nothing happened. Uh, well, actually, yeah, day 7 was chill. Day 8 yesterday was pretty good for the most part. Till late that night, got in an argument, got a couple of disputes, but it's all good right now. Uh, today was pretty much good until having, female drama, because people don't know how to act these days, and the lion and the chipmunk and the bear. Delicia and Skylar know what I'm talking about. Sarita probably be hip when I hip her to it. The bunny's hip. So yeah, most people are hip already, and they said I should beat her up, but I'm not going to, cause I'm a better person than that. But I'ma pick the phone up, get back to y'all a little later. Just trying to keep my grades up and that kind of stuff. So talk to y'all later. I'm going to do some homework. Bye.